Hi all, today, hello, camping down at Herron Point today, and beautiful day actually today. So here, look around here, I don't know if you can see, yeah, so there's a few campers around, so there you go. And now we're cooking, camp oven cooking, Christie's cooking at the moment. So with I don't know if I did the right thing, don't know if you can see that, but there you go. I've minced up the brown and minced a little bit. I'll put some baby broccoli in there and onions and some mince, and there's the sauces. So I've got some egg, cheese, and some pastry, some pizza sauce, and some of this mayonnaise spicy peri-peri. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. It's been a bit of a mission actually, because I'm not sure if you can see that. There's like sausage rolls in there, but it started falling apart because there's too much water, too much like liquid in it, and it started falling apart on me. So now I'm making it like this, and hopefully it doesn't fall apart like that. So we'll see. Mince tastes awesome. So we'll see how we actually we'll see how we actually go with the mince. Yeah, so there you go. Cassie's liking it anyway. She's on the ground eating bits of mince that I've dropped. It's pretty hard cooking in like this sort of situation, but there you go. Alright, see you later. Bye bye.